welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi.
मैं फुसफुस कर रही हूँ.
And my sister is also here. Who's fussing? हो गया आपका टैलेंट? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, I'm Namya Sethi. How are you all? I hope you all are doing really well. And today we are shooting what? Today we are shooting random assumptions about me. So a few days ago I posted a story where I was asking you to drop some random assumptions about me, and surprisingly I got many assumptions. So we are gonna go react to it today. Okay, so starting with the first assumption that someone made about me was that you are lazy. That's true, I'm very lazy.
That's not an assumption.
That's a fact.
That's a fact.
It's a fact. So if you've seen my previous videos with my sister, she has stated very clearly that I'm very lazy. Very, very lazy. Next assumption, that you snore. I don't snore until my nose is blocked. I don't.
जल्दी बंद कर दो यार, मेरे बाल उड़ गए. तो बाल उड़ गए.
Third assumption, Lamau, that you curse a lot. No, I don't curse a lot, do I? I don't.
You know it better.
We curse only those people who like.
हर किसी को टाके हम कर्ज नहीं करते यार. प्लीज हम करेंगे.
Okay, next assumption, that you are close with your parents. Of course I'm close with my parents. There comes an age where your parents and you start understanding each other much better.
Can you please get out the frame or something?
Next is that you take a lot of time to get ready when you have to go out. I don't know why, but I don't take so much time to get ready. Like maximum to first of all, when I have to put on makeup, I ask my sister to do it, and she does it within 15 minutes, maximum to maximum half an hour. So we know the timings. We manage the timings according to us. So I don't take a lot of time to get ready. Even when I have to do makeup myself, I don't. Do I take a lot of time to get ready? I take like 15 minutes. So no. I don't know why, but guys always think that girls always take time, so much time to get ready.
Yeah, that is an assumption about
That is
every
a myth.
girl.
That is a myth, you know, because not every girl at least takes so much time to get ready. Moving on, that you are afraid to make a first move on a guy. No, I am not afraid to make first move on a guy. When I like the other person, I'm not afraid to make. I'll make the first move if he is worth it. Next, negative comments do not affect you. They do affect you. They do affect me, but at last I just realized that those people are more and more jealous of me every day. So they
actually make you learn a lot of things.
yeah, and
So you shouldn't be like, nobody should be jealous of those people. You should learn
no, those
from them.
comments shouldn't bother you,
Yeah.
because you are so much worth in yourself. So don't pay attention to those comments. That's what I do.
And there's this saying ना, लोगों ने तो बहुत मतलब
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
Exactly.
So just don't think about it. Next, I assume you don't cook. I didn't cook before, but now in the quarantine period I've learned to cook, and I cook now. I'm a
Chef, master chef.
You don't really show your emotions. Ooh, that's a nice one. I don't really show my emotions. I do show my emotions, but only to a very few people, like my family and a few of my friends. Very few of my friends, like 2-3 friends. I show my emotions to those who I know I can trust. So yeah. I assume that you write poetry. Oh yes, I do write poetry sometimes. It's just when I am feeling a lot of emotions inside me, I pour them out in the form of poetry. So I do that. You are creative but not into crafts or DIY. Okay, that was a compliment. I really like it. This is the truth. I am creative but I'm not into crafts or DIY because I don't know, I am just not good at it. See? It's like, hi, say hi. Guys, also, she has also created a new YouTube channel. So go subscribe to her channel. Link will be in the description. Okay, go. So I was saying that recently I made, this amazing craft type of thing for my sister's birthday. So now show them. That was the first thing, that legit first thing
she ever initiated to do a craft idea, or I
for her birthday. Like, I would have never done this for her, but sister love. So this was some kind of a box kind of thing, and then we have this. I've put her pictures everywhere and a small little note inside. Okay. So the next assumption is that you are always happy. That is not true. I'm not always happy. But
who the hell is this guy or girl? Let's say.
I'm not always happy, but I have my moments. Of course, nobody is happy all the time. I have my moments when I'm really happy, and I have my moments when I am really low. So no, I'm not always happy. Next assumption is that you would never cut your hair short. I don't know if I would, but I really like my long hair. And if I cut my hair short, I'll definitely regret it. So I don't want to cut my hair short right now at least.
I told her to cut her hair short today only.
Yeah, she told me today only. She asked me to cut my hair short till shoulders, and I was
What?
I have put so much hard work into growing these lambe baal, and now she's saying that cut it till your shoulder. I was like, what the hell? Okay, next, that you are really down to earth and make most out of everything. Oh, that was sweet. That means so much to me. Matlab, yeah, it means to earth. Bas, matlab ye. So yes, I am down to earth, and I try to make most out of everything. I try to enjoy my every moment. So yeah, that is true. Next, that you have a bad attitude.
Towards what?
Do I?
Towards what, honey?
I mean, why?
Towards
do you
what,
think,
honey?
Why do you think I have a bad attitude? I don't have a bad.
We girls have a bad attitude for bad people.
Yeah. So I mean, I am sure you must have done something, so that is why you think that I have a bad attitude. But next is that you are short-tempered. Yes, I am very short-tempered. I get triggered easily. But now I've started to control those anger issues. So yeah. Next is that you will ignore the problem to make it go away. No, because you can't ignore a problem. I mean, कब तक ignore कर लोगे यार एक problem को? तुम्हारे at some point of time it will keep bothering you कि यार this happened. So I try to, whatever the situation is, whether it's a fight or any argument that I've had or anything, I just try to sort it out first if it's with the person, and if it's with myself, then I try to think about it. So I don't ignore the problem to make it go away. At least I talk to my sister about the problem that's bothering me. I won't ignore the problem. Next one is that you don't like girls, and so you have a lot of guy friends. That is not true. I mean, I am all for the feminine, energy. Like, I do have girlfriends, but I mean, just those who are like basic people and not those who have a big attitude. I don't like those people. I feel like they create drama out of everything. So I tend to stay away from those kind of girls. But whoever friend I have, I'm really grateful for them. And yes, I do have a lot of guy friends. I mean, I don't know. My guy friends usually just understand me so much more, so I prefer to have guy friends. Anyways, next one. You regret decisions that you make. I mean, who does not? I always make a wrong decision. Sometimes I do make a right one, but I mean, yes, mostly I do regret my decisions for something. So, I mean, what should I say? Okay, next one is that you are very selfish. I am not selfish. I am selfish only in terms of food. Like, I legit get so selfish in terms of food. I don't let even my family members share the food with me. You believe in love at first sight and soulmates. I don't believe in love at first sight because that is not love. That is just purely affection or attraction towards a person because of their physical features. So there's nothing such as love at first sight. But yes, I do believe in soulmates because there's, a soulmate for everybody out there. So guys or girls, hang in there. Thank you for being there always, and thank you for supporting me. I really love you guys. You're the assumptions now. So those were some pretty, interesting assumptions about me. I really like answering some of them. And I hope you guys like this video. So like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye.
तेरा भी डाल रही थी, तेरा ना तुझे ऐसे नहीं चमक रही दिखनी